Welcome to our channel for brief historical events. In this video, we'll explore significant moments in just 5 minutes or less. We'll give you a quick overview of what happened and its significance. Join us as we learn about history together. Constantinople, the ancient city now known as Istanbul, has a history rich with intrigue, conquest, and cultural exchange. Straddling the continents of Europe and Asia, the city was the epicenter of power and commerce for centuries, serving as the capital of both the Byzantine and Ottoman empires. Its unique geographical location, spanning the Bosporus Strait, has made it an important crossroads for trade, politics, and religion. Founded by the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great in 330 CE, Constantinople was established as the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire, also known as the Byzantine Empire. Constantine's decision to move the capital from Rome was a strategic one, as the eastern provinces were economically stronger and less vulnerable to invasion. The city became a melting pot of diverse cultures, languages, and religions, playing a pivotal role in shaping world history. Throughout the Byzantine period, Constantinople was renowned for its architectural wonders, such as the Hagia Sophia, a grand cathedral built by Emperor Justinian I in the 6th century. The Hagia Sophia showcased the technological prowess and artistic achievements of the Byzantines, featuring a massive dome that appeared to float above its vast interior. The city's walls, the Theodosian walls, were an impressive defensive structure, withstanding numerous attacks and sieges during the empire's history. Constantinople was also a center for the spread of Christianity, particularly after the Great Schism in 1054, when the Roman Catholic and Eastern Orthodox churches split. The Byzantine Empire was a stronghold of the Orthodox Christian faith, and the city's religious institutions played a significant role in shaping both religious doctrine and practice. In 1204, the Fourth Crusade led to the city's temporary downfall, as the Crusaders sacked Constantinople and established the Latin Empire. The Byzantines managed to reclaim the city in 1261, but the empire never fully recovered, weakened by the loss of territory and resources. By the 15th century, the Ottoman Empire had emerged as a significant regional power, and Constantinople was increasingly vulnerable to attack. On May 29, 1453, Ottoman forces led by Sultan Mehmed II conquered Constantinople after a 53-day siege, marking the end of the Byzantine Empire and the beginning of the Ottoman era. The city's name was eventually changed to Istanbul, and it became the capital of the powerful and expansive Ottoman Empire. This conquest had a profound impact on world history, as it shifted the balance of power in the region and marked the end of the Middle Ages. Under Ottoman rule, Istanbul continued to flourish as a center of commerce, culture, and religion. The Hagia Sophia was converted into a mosque, and several other grand mosques, such as the Blue Mosque and the Sa 1/4 Laymaniye Mosque, were constructed during this time. The city's architecture and art were influenced by both its Byzantine past and Islamic traditions, creating a unique fusion of styles. Istanbul served as the Ottoman Empire's capital until its collapse after World War I. The modern Republic of Turkey was established in 1923, with Ankara chosen as the new capital. Despite this change, Istanbul remains Turkey's largest city and a significant cultural, economic, and historical hub. Today, Istanbul is a vibrant metropolis, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to explore its rich history and marvel at the architectural treasures that testify to its importance throughout the ages. The city stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of human civilization, having evolved through numerous transformations and yet still retaining its unique character and charm. From the Hagia Sophia to the bustling Grand Bazaar, Istanbul continues to captivate those who walk its ancient streets, offering a glimpse into the fascinating story of Constantinople and its place in world history. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.